morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss about the ISO 45001 2018 performance evaluations clause number 9. There is also 7 sub clauses is there maintained. First is monitoring, measurements, analysis and evaluations. Monitoring, measurement, analysis and evaluations, general evaluation of compliance, internal audit and general and internal audit programs management review. There is total 7 sub clauses is there mentioned in the clause number 9. So guys, we have discussed about the performance evaluation. What is performance evaluations? If you are, some examples taken, if you are going to some plan and then carried out as per plan work, then evaluate the process, evaluate the audit your work. There is some gap, some not fulfillment requirements as per planning, that can a process to check audit and performance evaluate the again replete the evaluate the some gaps that call a performance evaluations as a OHS performance evaluations. How to evaluate the performance safety performance at workplace? You know that some work you have started some work like concreting work, then you have to plan before concreting casting. So guys, there is requirement of work permit system process and every workers need to be follow the safety guidelines, provided safety netting system for fall protections, proper barricade systems, lifelines, safe access. Other things will be there which are planned in your process. So if you are going to a safety officer visit on workplace, there is find out some gaps. Suppose that there is no fall protection system available in place who are going to concrete casting. So if you have not provided barricading systems, then this is a gap and this is a evaluate. If you have observed as a safety officers or managers observe that there is some gap related between the planning process and operations. There is some gap find out that called performance evaluation. Because of there is nothing take actions regarding the barricading system, means there is some gaps, there is supervision problems, there is some resources problem, there is other thing will be there maybe. So performance evaluations should be must by organizations, by employers, by others interested party and external internal both are identify and review the performance evaluations. What happenings around us? First, we are going to, if you are going to performance evaluation at workplace, then we have to check that what happening around the project, around the workplace, around our team members, around our department members, around our management's around the management's OHS performances. Everything considered whenever going to performance evaluations. If you are going to check the some mistakes by others departments, then we can performance evaluation. How to performance evaluate that? First thing, how well we are going to doing. First thing what happening around us. Second things, how we are doing well work. Second thing, what has happening so far. So warning and impending problems related the OHS performance. If you are any staffs doing some mistakes, doing some non-performance safety related work at workplace. So guys, we have to resolve and performance evaluation at workplace. So arrangement of for performance monitoring measurements should be considered by a safety managers, by a project managers, by a organizations, everyone responsible for doing the performance evaluations. So guys, how to performance evaluations at workplace? Base of organization identify the OHS significant hazards and commitments OHS policy. Organization should be consider about the what will be commitments in the OHS policy and what are happening on workplace. If you have a good management's commitments regarding the OHS policy, then need to be followed on workplace. So how to performance evaluations of workplace? First things we are going to discuss about the safety observations. You know that safety observations a basic part of performance evaluations. Second thing, audit system, internal audit and external audit system. Third thing, management review meetings. Fourth things, safety committee meetings, toolbox talk, job specific meeting. That all are considering about the performance evaluations in the process of work. That process of work and support the organization evaluations and during the MRM. Also, organization should be considered whenever going to discuss, whenever going to implement of OHS performance, then need to be support like timings, like the managements, like the manpowers which are required to conduct safety trainings. So guys, organizations should be considered on that base of improvement, base of performance evaluations at workplace. Suppose that we are going to any new workers comes in your organization for work purpose, then need to be check of competency levels. Also, this is a performance evaluations process at work. So guys, performance evaluations important. After that we can improvement at workplace. Be huge means determine the extent which OHS performance and objective make as per we have already planning to objective, we have already planned to HERA, identifications, risk opportunity, risk assessments, all we have planned our planning in clause number 6 in planning. So guys, we have to implement that as per plan and evaluate the performance evaluations should be need by employers, then we can improvement. Next clause will be there's improvement. So proactively we monitor the health safety performance at workplace during the work. Some process will be prepared as per based of safety health management system PDCA cycles: plan, do, check, act. Means we have to plan. If you are going to any work organized at workplace, plan. After that, do. After that, we have a plans, make a plans, then going to doing the work. After do, after the check. Checks means if you are going to work started, then check the some gaps. Check the compared to plan and compared to work on workplace, that calls performance evaluations. If you have a plans, there is provided two lifelines for examples, then we have to provided 2 lifelines on workplace at workplace, because of if you have to provided 1 lifelines, that all considered in performance evaluations, because of they have planned to 2 lifelines provided 1 lifelines at workplace. This is a observations. This is a performance evaluations and evaluations by monitoring and measurings and performing at workplace. After that we are going to discuss improvement at workplace. Take a returns and then improvement. So plan, do, check, act. Again check the act. Act means we have to plan, then check the planning, what are requirements in planning, then we can improvement at your workplace. So guys, also if you are going to conduct a safety audit, safety performance, also check your health safety performance at workplace like EPR mock drill. If you have a planning into a mock drill, then need to be conducted mock drills on every 3 months. Suppose that safety observation system, how much safety observations at workplace, how much near miss accident happen at your workplace, what is the reason of accident happen at workplace. So that all are considered in the internal audit programs and check your performance. Because of you are a safety professional, then also know that auditors are also sampling test your performance, OHS performance at workplace like documentations and side activity. You have how much safety observations conducted, so how much trainings given to workers, how much safety committee meetings is there, there are attends, and workers health checkups during the period of work. So guys, that how much safety inspections like power tools and machinery, and what will be if there is find out some gaps, then all over check by auditor in your audit system. So that is a part of work. If you are going to taking a ISO 45001, then need to be considered of performance evaluation at workplace. So also internal audit and internal confidential inspections should be conducted by the employer who is involved in project, like the workers asked to worker consultant to workers, maybe it clears and freedoms with talk with you regarding the some hazards, some risk assessment. So guys, part of you can conduct, you can performance evaluate by others way, like returns, verbals, videography. You can take a videography if you are going to observing any some mistake at workplace, like the compare between your planning and work method statement. So if you have to performance evaluate at workplace, then also need to be identify. If you are going to check the correct work on workplace, then also try to motivate to other persons, then we can achieve a 100% safety health safety performance at workplace. Thanks guys, today we have completed performance evaluations at workplace. So